Introducing D&B Locksmiths, profitable leasehold locksmith business in the Whitsundays, Airlie Beach, Queensland. Do you need an excuse to make that much dreamed about sea change to the beautiful Whitsundays in Queensland? This very successful locksmith business was established in 2003. Servicing the business, commercial and residential sectors, D&B Locksmiths comes with a long lease on the current premises. The purchase price includes all plant and equipment, computers, key program software, tools and 3 fully equipped mobile vehicles. There's a large modern retail showroom plus a workshop and plenty of storage. The current owners certainly have the business well organised. D&B Locksmiths cover all areas of the business, including master key systems, lock and key hardware sales, safe sales and repairs, deadlock installation, window locks and all key cutting. The business also has the latest technology in key machines, which means most vehicle transponder keys can be cut and diagnostically programmed. D&B Locksmiths service the magnificent Whitsunday region of Queensland, including Airlie Beach, Cannon Vale, Prosper Pine, Bowen and Hamilton Island. Over the years, D&B Locksmiths have built up a solid customer base and earned a great reputation for service and reliability. Current staffing includes the owner, a qualified licensed locksmith, plus 4 full-time employees, 2 tradesmen, a first-year apprentice and an administration person. The business offers customers a 24/7 emergency service, and this sale comes with 3 fully equipped mobile service vehicles. D&B Locksmiths is already successful, but there is still potential to do more due to ongoing regional growth and ever-increasing tourist numbers. Located in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, the Whitsundays are one of Australia's premier destinations. You couldn't wish for a better lifestyle. Location, lifestyle, longevity, profit and potential. What more could you ask for? Grab this beauty before someone else does.